How to fix REDnote app glitch screen. Now the simple explanation on why you have a glitch screen on the REDnote application is because you have a corrupted application installed to your mobile devices. Now to fix this, you simply want to completely uninstall the application. Now if you're using an Android phone like myself, it's as easy as navigating through the Play Store right here. And once inside, we can just go ahead and search for the REDnote app. Once inside REDnote, you want to go ahead and click on uninstall to completely erase all of the data within the application or the mobile device right here. Click on install once more, and this will basically go ahead and give us a clean installation of the application. If you're using your Apple devices, you can go ahead and uninstall the application by navigating through the settings, and from there you can just go ahead and look for the uninstall button. And so right after this completes, it will go ahead and fix the glitch screen problem. If this video has been helpful, leave us a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.